Απόψε, αγαπητοί μου αδελφοί και αδελφές, είναι μια βραδιά ευχαριστίας. Είναι η ευχαριστία που βγαίνει από τα βάθη της ψυχής μου για εσάς που έχετε τόσα χρόνια βοηθήσει και με την συμπαράστασή σας και χρηματοδός και με την ενθάρρυνση, το κουράγιο που δίνετε σε μένα τον αμαρτωλό να γίνει ένα μοναστήρι. The beginnings of the Brotherhood of St. George came because of the holiness and the goodness of Metropolitan Isaiah. Ο Μητροπολίτης Ισαΐας είναι ένας Άγιος άνθρωπος που για 30 και χρόνια εδώ στη Μητρόπολη Denver έκανε τόσα πολλά έργα και είμαστε όλοι ευγνώμονες και εγώ προπαντός για την όθηση που έδωσε να φέρουμε μοναχισμό στο Denver. Ακόμα η Ορθοδοξία δεν έχει πιάσει καλά στην Αμερική, αλλά προχωράμε με τη χάρη του Παναγίου Πνεύματος. I have many more people in particular that I'd like to thank. I'll only begin with a couple because I must. Kira Katina came, showed me the kind of person she is, the devout person she was, wanted to be close to church more and more and to learn things, and she always was telling me from those days, we have to learn from you, Padre Mu. And she asked, when we had yet even begun to be at the Brotherhood of St. George, formerly Yaya's home, she asked that we do a paraklesis in her home to ask Panagia to help us. And she gathered, some of you are here, 6 or 7 ladies, and we did a paraklesis in her home. And I want to thank you, Katina, from the bottom of my heart, because from that day until this very evening, she has not left by my side. It would be remiss, of course, for me not to give great, deep thanks and honor to my Geronda, Metropolitan Amphilochios, formerly of Ganu and Horla, and formerly of New Zealand and Fiji. It was under his tutelage that my unworthiness learned about the monastic life and about the life of giving. Η Ορθοδοξία είναι σαν ένα διαμάντι που πρέπει συνέχεια να το προσέχουμε, να το ξεσκονίσουμε, να λάμψει, να έχει αυτή τη χάρη που είχε πάντοτε και θα έχει στο μέλλον. And we look forward again to paradise which Christ has opened the gates to in his heavenly kingdom, that we so want to be part of in the church, Christ's church. The one holy Catholic and Apostolic Church is doing that for us as we continue as a family. Our responsibility is grave. It is also very honorable.